Discovering the benefits of homeschooling. Homeschooling is in demand nowadays. You might be thinking of homeschool for your child. There are a lot of reasons why you should educate your child at home. Although this decision may not be an easy one, it may be something to consider. There are questions that need to be discussed, and there are also some already answered for you. Before you can make this very important decision for your child's education, you should think long and hard and get all the answers to your questions. What are the benefits of homeschooling? Here are a few. First, your child will get all the attention, and that attention will come from you. Although this depends on the child's level of studying, he or she should be comfortable at home. You can have all his time and control his studies. Sometimes, children in school don't pay enough attention to their teachers because they want their mommies to guide them. Some don't trust their teachers and will not take their word. Friends and playmates may distract his learning process. All the issues your child experiences in a large class will vanish forever with homeschooling. Watch the video to learn more. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Of course, you know your child better than others do. You will be given the chance to tailor all the lessons that suit your child's interest of learning. You can keep him comfortable the way he wants it, which can never be experienced in the conventional classrooms. If your child is among those kids who are prone to peer pressure, then homeschooling is the answer. Learning is acquired in school, but if the child cannot learn the right way, it would be better that he stay home and be taught. Your child may want a different type of approach to learning which he cannot get in school. The teacher in school will not, of course, treat every student differently with their different standards of learning. Your child is not the only student in school, so if he wants to be treated differently, you may have to teach him at home so that the learning process will be easy. You will be able to watch your child's improvement. You can set a time frame or a limit which he needs to accomplish, say, for example, a chapter in a book. Allow him time to absorb and finish the chapter in a week so you can finish all the lessons in a timely manner. Thank you for your time. Don't forget hit the subscribe button.